This is jet skiing time. It's Sunday. Can't wait. We're really gonna suck when we have to go to school, but we got James, we got Charlie, we got Dio, little kid. We got me.
Kid?
We're gonna go.
One kid here.
Yeah, it's one kid. We're going jet skiing.
Here comes one of our jet skis right now.
Yeah, we already wiped out like 7 times. And I face planted and got water up my nose, and James did a triple backflip and landed on his nuts.
I never rode a jet ski in my life. The first time I ride one, I flip it.
I know. It's my first time too, and I already ate it. We're about to go explore.
Your dad's yelling at us.
Let's go. Let's go explore. Oh yeah. No egg stuff over there. Chicken. There's a trail right there.
You guys want? Yeah, let's go on the trail.
Alright, where are we going?
I want to find a snake.
Dude, there's so many snakes out here.
There is.
I want to find one.
Let's go.
Charlie. Oh my god.
Am I getting sunburned? It's hitting on the ground.
No, that's a little red. That's not my shirt right now. That's some burger.
Oh yeah, I gotta have my shirt.
Yeah, dude. You're right. Oh yeah. Are you still filming? Yeah. Charlie lost his glasses. They fell in the water and he's pissed.
Yeah, it was the first time we fell. I don't know what happened. We went through Jack's wakes, and he turned, and we went down, and we were turning, went up like this, and I flew forward, and I was still on the jet ski, but my head was like in the water. And then it was like this, and then we hit another one, and we both just went flying off.
He needs help.
Hey, Jacob, help me, dude. I don't know how to jet ski.
Give to the rest.
So much change in my favorite.
Oh, there goes my sandal. Hey, look. I know, I got less.
Oh, it's so
Put this on YouTube. It's so long.
What?
Zoom in on that boat way over there.
Tied up. See that yellow tied up? That is cool. One.
Oh, good.
Yes, come on.